Hey guys, it's Sierra here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did a wash and go using the Eco Styler coconut oil gel. I will also list all the products I used in the description box below. Alright, so I'm just, I had this tied bun in my hair for a whole week, so it was time to give my hair a nice cleansing. And I'm just taking my hair down and I'm going to head to the kitchen to wash my hair. Okay guys, so pretty much I'm washing my hair in the sink. I also wash my hair in the shower, just all depends. So I'm just massaging my scalp, and then I'm applying the Jamaican black castor oil from Shea Moisture. I'm using their shampoo to cleanse my scalp, and I just apply the shampoo directly to my scalp and just work it down to the ends of my hair. And then I'm applying the olive oil replenishing conditioner to co-wash my hair. Okay guys, you did not see me apply the deep conditioner. I used the Eden Body Works coconut Shea natural hair mask treatment, and now I'm just adding the Jamaican black castor oil that you just saw in the lavender kind. I'm just applying that to each section of my hair. And I just like to use the oil of my deep conditioner just because I feel like it further it really moisturizes my hair when I add oil with my deep conditioners. I also like to work in 4 sections just because it's easier for me to manage all my hair. Okay, now I'm just taking a plastic cap and I'm going to let my hair sit for 45 minutes to an hour. This is an hour later guys, and now I'm adding the Mael Organics Brazilian curly cocktail or cocktail curl cream. Like I said, I'll list all the products down below in the description box, but I'm just adding that to my hair now. Okay, and then I'm taking some water because I like to make sure my hair is nice and saturated, nice and wet when I'm applying my product, just because I feel like it defines my curls better. And I'm just working the product in from roots to ends. Well, actually ends to roots. I like to work when I'm adding my product. I like to put it in, apply it to the ends first and work my way up. So ends to roots. Okay, now I'm just twisting it up. I also want to say I do like this Brazilian curly cocktail. I know I'm saying that name all wrong, but I love the scent of this product. It smells like oranges and grapefruits. It just smells so good. Okay, now for the main event, I'm using the Eco Styler coconut oil gel, and I'm going to apply it to each section. I do want to say it smells so good. It smells just like coconuts. Okay, so I'm just taking that section down. And I usually like to add my gel from roots to end. So I like to apply the gel to the ends first and then work my way down. Just because my roots are usually a little bit puffier, so I just like to make sure my roots are nice and laid down. Give it a smooth finish. Okay, so now I'm just raking and smoothing the product in. I usually use this method to define my curls. I just rake it, the gel in, and then smooth it. And as you can see, my hair is just naturally, the curls are just naturally kind of separating on its own. So I don't really disturb the curl pattern. I just rake the product in and smooth, rake and smooth, rake and smooth. Okay, this is just a close-up just to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm just raking the gel in and then I'm smoothing it. I find that this really defines my curls. I'm just working my way down. I'm applying more gel as needed. I want to say, guys, as I was using this Eco Styler coconut oil gel, I was like super impressed. I know it's a lot of the Eco Styler gels coming out now, or spin out different. They've kind of expanded their brand, their lines. I've always been a big fan of the Eco Styler olive oil. That's like my main one I use. I have a whole tub of it, so that's like what I use normally. So I kind of don't really test the other ones. This is actually the first. I also use the argan oil as well, but I usually use the olive oil. But I was very impressed with this coconut oil. It was very moisturizing, and my curls just look so shiny. And I was really pleased as I was applying it, applying the gel in my hair. And the smell was amazing. So now that I've finished applying the Eco Styler gel in my hair, I'm just going to take a little bit more and apply it to the edges of my hair, just to make sure my hair is nice and laid. I cannot stand for the edges, so I just want to make sure my hair is nice and laid in the morning when I take my hair down. So I'm just adding a little bit more to the edges of my hair. I'm also going to apply a little bit on the crown, just to make sure that's nice and smooth as well. Okay. So I was feeling my hair at this point. I was like, okay, these curls are popping. So now I'm just going to scrunch my hair just to further define my curls. And then I just allowed my hair to air dry overnight. I just took my, put my hair up, and I just allowed it to air dry. Here's my results, guys. My hair was nice and moisturized. Curls was popping. I was feeling this hair, and I was ready to hit the town. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you try the Eco Styler gel, and comment down below and let me know if it works for you. And I'll see you guys next Thursday. Bye.